Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Killer Beauty and today we'll be taking a look at the Xion Mini permanent makeup machine. Made by Microbu and based on the Xion S, the Xion Mini is a lightweight, compact option that is suitable for every artist regardless of experience. So let's get into it. With a 2.5mm stroke length, this machine can be used for a variety of micropigmentation treatments, such as lips, brows or eyeliner. It is also suitable for any skin type and is ready to use straight out of the box. The pen-style design of the Xion Mini is easy to wrap, and the smaller size provides greater control for artists to improve pigment placement and accuracy. Engineered and manufactured in the US, the Xion Mini weighs in at approximately 88 grams, making it super lightweight and comfortable to use, even during longer treatments. Artists with smaller hands who have previously struggled with larger, bulkier machines will most likely find this handpiece much easier to use. The Xion Mini may be compact, but it does not compromise on performance thanks to the Dark Lab designed proprietary motor, which provides consistent power with virtually no vibrations. Less vibrations will also enhance your control and precision, as well as putting your clients at ease. The RCA connection of the machine makes it compatible with most traditional or wireless power supplies on the market. The Xion Mini PMU machine comes with Bluetooth connectivity for Siri voice control and eGive adjustment, which can all be controlled through the Dark Lab app. Like its predecessor, this machine is also compatible with any universal style cartridge, giving you maximum freedom to use a whole range of PMU cartridges. Whether you prefer Vertex, Quadrin, or our own Killer Beauty cartridges, you can pair this machine with your favourite brand or try out different brands to find the best fit for you. Fans of the original Xion S PMU machine or any artist seeking a compact, comfortable machine are sure to be fans of the Xion Mini. If you had tried this machine already, leave a comment below and let us know your feedback. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.